Welcome. I'm Erik and this is Nitro Circus's Oh Shit Moments. Now everyone knows Nitro Circus has taken children's trike riding to a whole new level. Jim DeChamp bought Travis 2 trikes for his birthday, and they started racing him around local hills. That's where they saw the true potential of the trike. Now one year, directly after X Games, Travis decided it was time to progress the sport even further, and we headed straight for skateboard legend Bob Burnquist's house.
3, 2, 1.
Under.
Wait, I can't see anything. Is that bad?
Just lay on your back.
No, I can't see. Seriously, I can't see.
Just seriously lay on your back.
He hit so hard, he literally went blind. I've never even heard of that.
Oh my God. Back pump right now. I didn't make it.
And in true Pastrana fashion, he didn't let temporary blindness stop him. He kept at it until he could claim the world's largest trike flip.
Oh!
Cut.